Yes, how was the preparation?
It's good, ma'am.
Okay. I hope so far now six. Just you requested for module 4 and 5 topics. So module 4 completely counter design, and you have to look over for the counters, that is 4-bit synchronous counter and asynchronous counter. They'll ask you with a timing diagram. So truth table you are supposed to write the function table. It is a 4-bit counter, means 2 power 4, 16 count, that is 0002 to 111. So you should know the logic diagram of 4-bit synchronous and asynchronous counters with a timing diagram. So these three are very, very important. And next, coming to the counter design, before going to design any counter, you should know the excitation table, or I can say application table. So of all four flip-flops, SR, JK, D and T flip-flops. So that is the one thing in module 4 that is very, very important is they'll ask you to design a modified synchronous counter. So most of the time are you can say default, they'll ask you synchronous only, synchronous counter using, they'll tell you out of 4 flip-flops they'll specify either one SR, JK, D or T flip-flops. If they are not specified, design modify synchronous counter. The question is like this, you take it as a D flip-flop as a default because D flip-flop excitation table is very simple, it is same as next state table. Okay, so prefer D flip-flop if they are not specified. If they specified, you have to do that. So design means you need to write a logic diagram, truth table, then you need to write the logic diagram using particular flip-flop. And also remember, so it is mod 5. So modulus indicates the number of states. So mod 5 means it is totally 5 states. So 5 state means if I talk about a stride sequence, it is 0 to 4. 0 to 4 means it will become 5 states. You can take any number. So all are correct. If you take 2, 3, 6, 5, that is also correct. If you take in ordered sequence means 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So totally how many states? 5 states. So you can take a stride sequence, or if you want your own 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, you can take that also, but design should be proper. So now maximum is 4. So how many bits you require to represent 4? Yes. How many bits you require to represent 4? In
3 bits.
binary. In binary, if you want to represent 4, you require 3 bits. That is 100. So here you require n bit flip-flop. So 3 bits means each flip-flop will store 1 bit. So you require 3 flip-flops. So whatever may be the type, SR, JK, D and T, you require 3 flip-flop. Each flip-flop store 1 bit at a time, either 1 or 0. So now you know how many flip-flops you require. So let me take D flip-flop itself. So designing of mod 5 counter using D flip-flop. The states are given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now the table consists of present state, next state, then flip-flop inputs. So now it is 3 bit. So let me take Q1, Q2, Q3, or you can say take QA, QB, QC. So here it is Q1 plus, next state will be indicating with a plus, Q2 plus, Q3 plus. So flip-flop inputs based on the specified flip-flop. So here D flip-flop, how many D flip-flops you require? How many D flip-flops you require?
3, ma'am.
3 D flip-flops. So D1, D2, D3. Similarly, if you have JK, J1K1, J2K2, J3K3. Similarly, SR, 3 SR flip-flops. S1R1, S2R2, S3R3. So now, as I told you, D flip-flop application table or excitation table is same as next state table. Same thing you need to copy again in D1, D2, D3. So first let me take the states. Present state is nothing but your given states or what are the states you have taken. So just write down 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is a present state. Now each one has to be represented in 3 bit. 0 in 3 bit, 0 0. 1 in 3 bit, 0 0 1. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next 2 in 3 bit, 0 1 0. 3 in 3 bit, 0 1 1, 1 0 0. So this states can be anything. So you can take continuously or you can take random sequence. So both are correct. Okay. So keep a practice of taking the straight sequence itself. So next state. When you are in present state 0, you are moving to the 1 state. So 1 in 3 bit 0 0 1. Similarly from 1 to 2. So 2 means 0 1 0. From 2 to 3. So 2 to 3. So 3 means 0 1 1. 3 to 4. Again 4 back to 0. So now D flip-flop. So here you need to just copy the next state. If not, if it is not D1, D2, if you are taking J1, K1, similarly J2, K2, then you need to observe Q1 and Q1 plus column. 0, 0 means 0 don't care. Again 0, 0 means 0 don't care. You should remember all 4 excitation table to design counter. Okay. So here it is. We have taken D flip-flop, D1, D2, D3. So same thing you copy. So 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So next, you need to draw a K-map for D1, D2, D3. 3 K-maps has to be drawn. So now, the next step is, so K-map of 3 variables. So 3 variables means 8 cells. So let me take Q1, Q2, Q3. So as usual, cell numbers. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now just observe the D1 column and just observe the values, decimal notations. For 0, it is 0. For 1, it is 0. 2 is also 0. 3 is 1. Only 3 is 1. And here it is written 8 cells. So, but we have taken the state still 4. The remaining cells 5, 6, 7 has to be loaded with what value?
Don't care. Don't.
Don't care. So 5, 6, 7 default, you need to take it as don't care. So you can write X or underscore or D. 3 notations used for don't care. So now only for 3 it is 1, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7 are don't care. Remaining are 0. So now you will get one pair. So you will get some expression for D1. So D1 expression will be Q2, Q3. Similarly D2, D3, how to do it. So next, based on this equation, you need to draw 3 D flip-flops. What are the expression you got? Draw. So first flip-flop output will be Q1. So like this. I hope, is it clear with the table? Yes. Any doubt in the truth table?
No, ma'am.
Okay. After the K-map, so you need to draw 3 D flip-flops. Synchronous means first you need to clock individually. So don't forget to give the clock. So first write 3 flip-flops with some space, not with continuously. So first one is D1, output is Q1, Q1 bar. Similarly D2, D3, Q3, Q3 bar. Q2, Q2 bar. So synchronous. So clock with arrow. This indicates positive edge clock. With a bubble means negative edge clock. Sometimes they'll ask you to make a question tricky, negative edge clock. Then that time you need to write just a bubble. That's it. then nothing will be changed. Everything is same. Only while writing the diagram, you need to make it as a bubbled clock. That is negative edge of the clock. So here, just you need to write a bubble here. That's it. So now it is, they have not specified any positive or negative edge clock. So just a synchronous. Synchronous means we'll be clocking individually. So this is the clock. So D1. D1 just we got Q2, Q3. So Q2 and Q3. So you have to take it and through AND gate D1 to D1. Similarly D2, D3. Is this clear? If you take ABC, then it is QA, QB, QC, DA, DB, DC. Yes? So if it is a mod 3 synchronous counter using JK flip-flop, how will you do? Mod 3 has how many states?
Outcome 0 to
0 to 2, 0, 1, 2, 3 states. So that is asked in many of the question paper. Design 3-bit synchronous up counter using JK flip-flop. So up counter means in ascending order 0, 1, 2, 3 you have to take, and mod 6 counter using D flip-flop. So that is what you have solved in the normal class 0, 2, 3, 6, 5, 1. Whether they will specify the sequence or they'll ask you general, mod 5, mod 3 or mod 4. Any modulus can be given using some flip-flops. So that is more important in module 4. Then coming to one more thing is state diagram. So in state diagram you are come across with Meyle and Moore. Sometimes they'll ask you explain Meyle and Moore state diagram with an example. So look out for the black diagram and some simple examples. Meyle model and Moore model. So Meyle model, you have to remember inside the state only the state will be there. Outside the state the arc or arrow indicates input and output. So what I am writing is now Meyle. So outside the arc this indicates input and output. So inside the circle only state. So each state have two transition. So x0 it's moving here, when x1 0, some value you can give, just an example. So you need to write with a logic diagram with this example, and you need to specify Meyle state diagram depends on present state as well as present inputs. Remember, output is depends on output. So similarly here the arc indicates x value. This is input when x is going to be. One, zero, both the so output is not changing. Output is fixed for the two transition, that is when x0 and x1. So this is the like this you are supposed to give an example. Either they'll ask you explain Meyle and Moore state diagram with example or compare Meyle and Moore. So next they'll give you one state diagram. You need to design a sequential circuit. So state diagram may be anything or it may be any states. So the state diagram is like this. So A, B, D, C. So here they are given a state diagram. You need to design a sequential circuit. So totally how many states you can observe here? Yes. How many states it has? How many states that a state diagram has? Whether it is Mealy or Moore model?
Melee model. It's Melee
It
model.
is Mealy model. Okay. Now it has 4 states A, B, C, D. Is it the diagram is visible? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now it has 4 states. So now here it is what you have to write is you need to write a state diagram. This is a state diagram. You need to write a state table, then transition table. The state table it consists of states for both two transition when x0, x1. So state table is like this. So state table consists of again a present state, short form PS, next state when x0, when x1. Then you need to list output. So let me take output by when x0 and x1 because in Mealy output is different for both the transitions. So now let me write the present state. Present states are your variables A, B, C, D. And also in sometimes in the problem they are going to give you the state assignment values. So here 4 state means each of 2 bit 0, 0, B 0, 1, C 1, 0, D 1, 1. So sometimes they'll specify or sometimes may not. So state values are given here A00, B01, C10, D11. So now state table, present state, next state, output. So present state is A. When x is 0, where it is moving? So when x is 0, it is moving to self state. So when x is 0, it is moving to self state. What is the corresponding output value? Output is
0.
output is 0. When x1 where it is moving?
C, ma'am.
So when x1 it is moving, just observe the direction of arrow. When it is moving to B. What is the output now? Output is 0. Similarly, I am in present state B. When x is 0, I am moving to C. When x is 0, moving to C. Corresponding output is 1. So C output is 1. Similarly, in B, when x is 1, I am moving to D. So moving to D, value is 0. Moving to D, value is output is 0. Similarly, C is present state. When x is 0, it is moving to yes.
B, ma'am.
It is moving to B. Output is 1.
1.
When x1 is moving to A, output is 1.
1.
Similarly, when D x is 0, it is moving to A, output is 1. In x1 moving
B,
to B, output is 0.
0.
So this is state table. Next transition table is you need to replace wherever A 0 0, wherever B 0 1, wherever C 1 0, wherever D 1 1. Same table you need to change the assignment values. Then as usual, sometimes they'll specify which flip-flop or sometimes may not. Only they'll give design a sequential circuit for the state diagram. So then again I am telling you just prefer D flip-flop. If not, follow the specified one. because time will be reduced if you prefer D flip-flop. Okay. So now transition table. Just you need to replace wherever A 0 0. So let me change here only. So transition table. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Similarly, A means 0 0, B means 0 1, C means 1 0, D means 1 1, 0 1, 0 0, 0 0, B means 0 1. So now the condensed table, the same transition table, each of 2 bit. Let me take a capital AB. Now next state will be A plus B plus. Okay. So now write AB X present state, A plus B plus is the next state. So this is next state and output. So ABX is a 3 variable. So I need to write 8 combinations. So the AB 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 0 1 1, still 1 1 1. So when present state 0 0, when X is 0, when where it is taking transition 0 0. Output is 0. So I need to write here 0 0, output is 0. Similarly, initial state or present state is 0 0. When x1 is moving to 0 1. So ಇದು ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಬರೆದ್ಮೇಲೆ just row wise ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 just horizontal. So directly I can write 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Next to 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 1. Y again Y also. So 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0. Next, you need to choose a flip-flop. So now how many flip-flops you will require to store 2 bit of each state? How many flip-flops you require?
2
Yes.
flip-flops.
2 flip-flops. So it's 2 flip-flops of whichever they asked. So let me take a JA, KA, JB, KB. So now you need to draw a K map for JA, KA, JB, KB and Y. Okay. So now in order to write JA, KA, you need to observe A and A plus column. So I hope you have an excitation table with you now. So 0 0 means 0, don't care. So next, just observe A column and A plus column. Again 0 0, 0, don't care. Next 0 1. What is the value for 0 1?
1 don't care. 1 don't care.
1 don't care. So next 0 1, 1 don't care. Next for 1 0, 1 0,
Don't care 1.
don't care 1. So next again 1 0 1 0. So don't care 1, don't care 1. So now you need to draw a K map. So go for maximum grouping. Sometimes you may get 1 because it will become all octal. So don't group only don't care. Group the don't cares with a min term. Okay. Similarly, you need to write JBKB by observing B and B plus column. So the second column B and B plus, write down JBKB from the application table. And at last Y. So write down 2 JK flip-flops just with space. So clock individually, that is must. Without clock, you won't get marks. Clock has to be given first after the inputs. So next, whatever the expression you will get, you connect according to that. So output of, so here one more thing you have to remember is, so let me write two JK flip-flops with some space. So JB, KB, QB, QB bar. Similarly JA, KA, QA, QA bar. And clock, common clock. So always output of QA becomes A, QB becomes B. So you need to draw a K-map with the inputs. What are the inputs we have taken here? ABX. Take ABX, AB and X. So we'll get an expression in terms of AB and X. So A bar means QA bar you need to draw and QB bar means B bar. So A bar X, for example, you got a JA as A bar X. So A bar X means A bar and X I'll take with AND gate. So now it is AX. If KA is just a B, so B means you need to take it from the second flip-flop. So like this you need to draw the logic diagram. And finally Y. So Y you will get, for example, AX bar plus B something. So you need to draw from the flip-flop and X is the input. Okay. So they'll ask you Melee state diagram. Okay. Is any doubt in the state diagram?
No, ma'am.
Okay, this is first version of state diagrams. Next you will have, they'll give you the sequential circuit. From the circuit you need to get it to state diagram, just a reverse of it. So in that what you have to do is you need to write what are the inputs and output from the diagram. Then you need to remember characteristic equation. So characteristic equation is very important of all four flip-flops. T flip-flop is just a XR operation, T XR Q. D is directly D. Similarly, SR and JK has some other expressions. You need to remember to solve from circuit to state diagram. So that is, for example, I have a problem with your T flip-flop. So they can be given any sequential circuit, but you are able to write the state diagram. Okay. So this is one of the examination question itself. You have a T flip-flop. So you need to just observe what flip-flop they are given. So T, they are given with R gate. So NAND gate, AND gate and so this is output Z, Q, Q bar, and here they are given alpha. You can take any variable. Sometimes they'll give you alpha or sometimes they'll give you X. Now, just tell me what is the value of T now? So what is the expression here? Alpha, Q, this is alpha bar, Q bar. So now tell me what is T? What is the T expression from this diagram? Yes. What is the expression? Just observe, we have written some gates. So that is given to input T. What is the expression now? I have written the output of AND gate. First AND gate is alpha Q. Output of second AND gate is alpha bar Q bar, and it is given to OR gate. So T will be alpha Q plus alpha Q bar Q bar. Similarly, what is Z? Z is output. So T is input. The first step when you are designing a state diagram, the first step is to note down the inputs and output from the diagram. So nothing difficulty in this. So just observe which are the gates, what are the inputs and what are the flip-flop outputs given. Write down the input and output. So output is Z. So Z is alpha Q. You can observe Z is directly taken from first AND gate. So once you return input output, next take characteristic equation of T flip-flop. So because given as T flip-flop, characteristic equation for T flip-flop will be Q plus is equal to T XOR Q. So now substitute the value of T from the diagram. So T is alpha Q plus alpha bar Q bar, that XOR with Q. Are you getting it? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, all of you? So by default you will get
Yes,
one
ma'am.
state diagram to circuit, circuit to state diagram vice versa ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ either ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. You have to learn, you can't leave it, you can't take a chance. Okay, so now you need to substitute T value. So after substituting T value, what you will get? Alpha Q plus alpha bar Q bar XOR with Q. Now you need to write next step map. Our next step map. So we'll be taking, it's not K map, just we are taking Q and X values. Just to find out what are the values when X0 and X1. So 0, 1. So it is alpha, not X. Alpha. And here it is. So here it is just only one flip-flop. You will get 4 cells. Alpha and Q. Alpha is nothing but input. So Q0, Q1. So when alpha 0, Q0. This is Q and this is alpha. Just substitute alpha 0 and Q0 in this expression. So what will get? Alpha 0, Q0. So 0, 0, 1, 1. So 0 plus 1. 1. 1 XOR with 0. Start with yeah. That's why you have taken only 4. Are you getting? Yes. Shall I continue now?
Yes, ma'am.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ I'll again repeat. I'll repeat it. Okay. Just you need to substitute the value alpha value Q value to that expression. Then you need to fill the cells. So similarly, alpha 0 Q1. So next alpha 0 Q1 you substitute into this expression. So what you will get? Alpha 0 Q1, alpha 0 Q value 1 alpha bar 1, q bar 0. Similarly, q1, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 XOR 1, 1. So you have to fill this. So once you complete this, you can write the state table. Similarly, you have to do it for Z also. So this is for Q plus and this is for Z. So Z again alpha and Q. So Z expression is just alpha Q is just like an AND gate. Alpha and Q, it is like an AND gate, it is a product. When both are 1, alpha 1, Q1, here only it is 1, the remaining case it is 0. So that is your AND gate truth table because it is a product of alpha Q. So next, here you need to take a state A and B. So each of one bit AB, then you need to draw the state diagram, Melee state diagram, because output depends on input as well as flip-flop output. Okay? Yes, you want me to write a state table? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So state table. So present state, Q, next state, alpha 0, alpha 1. This is Q plus. Similarly, output Z. So present state is Q0. So when alpha 0, where it is? What is the value? In Q0, alpha 0 is 1. Q0, alpha 1. Sorry. Yes, Q0, alpha 1, 1. Similarly, Q1, 0. So what is some value you take as 0, 1? Just have taken assumption. So for 1, it is 0, 1. Okay. So output similarly alpha 0, alpha 1. So you get 0, 0, 0, 1. So now replace wherever A 0, you take it as A. Wherever 1, you replace it with B. Yes? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then you need to draw the Melee state diagram, writing two states and respective output. Okay, so this is about completely module 4. So in module
Ma'am,
5,
in this type of problems, ma'am, how we will get Mealy or Moore, ma'am?
based on the expression Z. What is the expression Z you got? Alpha Q. Alpha input, Q is a flip-flop output. So sometimes if you get an expression is only alpha, we can say it is a Moore model.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So next, module 5, a sequence detector. Construct a state diagram for the particular sequence means, construct means you need to draw only the sequence detector diagram, state diagram. If they ask for the design for a particular sequence, you need to write like continuation, like how you counter design, it will continue from the state diagram. State diagram ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೇನೆ sequence detector ಬರೆದ ಮೇಲೂ same procedure. State diagrams ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. State table, transition table, then the logic circuit using particular flip-flops. Is what exactly the doubt in module 5? Let me know. Yes. Is this clear with the module 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What exactly the doubt in module 5? Chiranjeevi? Abhishek?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, any doubt you have? Is it understood,
No,
module
ma'am.
4?
Ma'am, seek fifth. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you're telling something.
Ma'am, seek fifth detector. Doubt is ma'am.
Sequence detector.
Yes, ma'am.
So sequence detector, for example, they ask for construct a state diagram for the sequence. So a sequence have taken of 5 bit 1010 101 10 of 5 bit. So sequence is a 5 bit. So you can construct using melee and Moore model. Both are possible. So just read the question properly. If it is a melee, you require end state. End state to draw the state diagram. Whereas if it is they ask for Moore, you require one extra state, n plus one state. So now in this case you have 5 bits. So 5 states. If I am doing for melee. So 5 states, let me take, you can take any state or it can be alphabet. S0, S1, S2, S3 like that you can take, or you can take alphabet. A. So how many states you require? 5 states. A, B, C, D and E. So I have written here 5 states directly. And also you have to remember that, so when you are receiving a last bit, your output will be 1. Okay? Till that output will be 0. Let me repeat. After receiving the 5th bit, your output becomes 1. Okay? So now, when you are moving from A to B, what is the first sequence? First bit of your sequence? Abhishek?
1, ma'am. 1.
1. What is the output now?
0.
Output is 0. So now from B to C, you can receive 2 bits. What is the second bit? What is the second bit?
1, ma'am.
Second bit.
0, 0.
When 0 is input, 1 is out.
Second bit is 0. Similarly, from C to D, so third bit is 1.
1.
1.
Fourth bit,
1.
1, ma'am.
that is also 1. So now, this was written according to the state. So now, output is 0 still, because still the fifth bit is left. So now, each state should take a 2 transition, that is when x0 and x1. Just come back to the first state. This is the initial state or reset state. When x1, you are moving to B. What about x0? So x0 means you will be in
Itself, ma'am.
initial state. Output is 0. Similarly for
Yes,
B, when x is 0, you are going to C. But I don't know where I have to move when x is 1. So what you have to do is, write a bit what you have received is 1. So with 1, when x1 I need to find out. You write 1. So this is the bit to be received and this is when x1. So just compare the last bit with the bit in the box. Is it same?
Yes, ma'am.
If it is same, it will be in the self state 1/0. x1 output is 0. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, C ಗೆ C ಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು? 2 bits. 1 and 0. First bits ನೋಡಿ. 1 0. So 1 0, write it in box. Now, when you are in present state C, when x1, we know the transition. When x1, we are moving to D. Just I am bothered about when x is 0. I need to find out x0 where it is moving. So 1 0 when x is 0. So compare the 2-bit in the box. Here box 1 0 and the bits of what I got is 0 0. Is it same?
No, ma'am.
Okay, compare 1 bit. Single bit comparison. Is
Yes,
it
ma'am.
matching
Same.
with the first 1 bit comparison? No.
Yes, ma'am.
So what I have to do? I need to move to initial state. So initial state is A. C to A. When x is 0, obviously output is 0. Yes, are you getting it? So next coming to D. D ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು bits receive ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ? 1 0 1. So write in the box 1 0 1. When x1 moving to E. So I need to find out when x is 0. ಆ ಸೇಮ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನಂಬರ್ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. x is 0. Now 3 bit comparison ಮಾಡಿ. So 3 bit comparison match ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ? So box only we have 101.
No, ma'am.
No. So next compare 2 bit. Last 2 bit. 2 bit and then
Not
1 0.
matching, ma'am.
1 0 is matching with the 2 bit? Yes. What is the state of 1 0?
C.
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 So D has to go to C. When x value 0, output is 0. Next to last state. ಈಗ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು bits receive ಆಗಿದೆ? 4 bits. Which are 4 bits? 1 0
1 0
1 1.
1 1.
1 0 1 1. I don't know when x0 or x1 where it is moving. It is not. We don't know the transition. E ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಗೊತ್ತು. E ಇಂದ ಯಾವುದು 2 ಆರೋ ಈಚೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. So now I need to find out when x0 where it has to go and x1 where it has to take a transition. Write down the bits as usual as it is from the box. Put x once and put 1 with that 4 bits. Now compare the 4 bits. Last 4 bits you compare. Last 4 bits are 0 1 1 0. 0 1 1 0 not matching. Next compare the last 3 digits. 3 digits compare madadi. It's not matching. Compare the last 2 digits. Is it matching with 1 0?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Where I am supposed to take a transition now?
C, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
C to
C.
C. When equal 0. What is the output now? Observe carefully. What is your bit? Whether you received all the sequence? 1 0 1 1 0. 1 0 1 1 0 is my bit. What is the output now?
1.
Output has to be 1 now. This is for this bit, not for all the bits. That is my sequence. 1 0 1 1 0 is my sequence. I have received, so output becomes 1. Only when you received all the bits, at the last bit, your output becomes 1. Remember. Now, I need to find one more transition. When x is 1, for the particular state E. So now compare last 4 bits. Here I have 0 1 1 in the box 1 0 1 1. Not matching. Compare last 3 bits. So last 3 bits 1 1 1, here 101. Compare 2 bits. Here I have 11. Here we have 10. So last bit 1, so it is comparing with B. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So E has to move to B when x1 output is 0. Okay? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
You send me the topics, module 5, what exactly you want. I'll take up at the next class. Tomorrow, same time. Just half an hour, I'll clear it. Just send me the topics. Okay, shall we leave?
Yes, ma'am.